Hello everyone. Today I was just getting ready for one of my favorite days of the year. Yes, today is the 22nd of April and throughout the world it is celebrated as the World Earth Day. On this special day, we just thank our mother planet for the various innumerable things that it has bestowed upon us. Earth is a unique planet. Yes, why is it called as a unique planet? Surely you all are right, because it is the only planet that supports a life. So, on this day, we show our gratitude towards the Mother Earth. So, what can we do on this special day? We can follow the 3 magical mantras. The 3 magical mantras are the 3 R's. The first R, reuse. Reuse the material as much as we can, like the old plastic bottles, the cloth bag. We can reuse them into various ways. Number 2, reduce. Reduce the wastage, save the electricity, save the energy consumption. Third one, the third magical mantra is recycle. Recycle the old products into new forms, the way we do it in our best out of waste activities. Remember the 3 magical mantras and just follow it to show our gratitude and to celebrate this day in the most efficient and the most exciting way. Today, I have brought another activity for all of you to show our love towards the Mother Nature. Yes, we are going to adopt the plant. That will be our gift towards the Mother Nature on this special day. So, on this special day, we are going to plant a sapling for our Mother Earth. The material that we require for planting a sapling is a pot with some damp soil in it. We are going to put some sliced tomatoes in it, the way I'm showing it here. Cover it with some damp soil. Cover the sliced tomatoes well with the damp soil so that it can dug deep into the soil. Water the plant and wait for 2-3 days. You will be surprised to see the little leaves growing up after 3-4 days of planting it deep. It will look so beautiful, and within few days you will be ready to have the little red juicy cherry tomatoes from your own kitchen garden, nurtured and cared by you all. I hope you all are going to enjoy this lovely plantation. In case you do not have the empty pots in your houses, you can recycle some broken cups like this. You can plant your own little sapling. Isn't it looking beautiful? Or you can recycle the empty plastic water bottles the way I've done it here. I've cut the center portion of the plastic from here, put some soil into it, and I have, grown a small plant. Isn't it looking beautiful? You can hang it anywhere you want to. On the terrace, on the wall, you can create your own hanging wall as well. Enjoy, have a nice day, happy Earth Day to all of you once again. Let's celebrate this special day, not only today or tomorrow. Let's celebrate every day as the Earth Day. Thank you and have a nice day. Let's enjoy this amazing song on Earth Day.